In today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how you can revert back to the default icon theme on the Samsung Galaxy A05s. The first step is to enter the Galaxy theme store, and we have two methods we can use to do this. The first is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and from here, tap on the option Themes. And the second is by opening the Settings app, then scrolling and selecting Themes. Either way, you'll be taken to the Galaxy theme store, and from here, tap on the category labeled Menu, then select the option My Stuff. You'll see a list of all themes, wallpapers, icons you've added to your device. So tap on the option labeled Icons, then select the default. Once you've selected the default, tap on the option Apply, and it will be added to your device. Once it's been added, you'll be taken back to the home screen, and you'll notice the icon theme has changed back to its default option. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.